Hello guys, I have come again today. I hope you guys understood what I taught earlier on how to get affiliate links. Okay, so let's move on and learn how to earn money from commenting. First, I want you guys to see my NAS earning very well. Then after commenting, we go back and check it. Let's go on now. So if you come here, you can see my NAS earning 4352. Oh, that's very poor for me because this month I haven't been that active. But let's move on. So what's about how can you comment? What's about commenting? Everything you need to have know about commenting. So for starters, you need to first of all go to front page. When you click on front page, you will see so many posts, but that's not the main stuff. When it loads, I will show you guys the ones that you earn from and the ones that you don't earn from, because you don't earn from all of them. So they are the specific ones you earn from. So those ones are just at the down line side. So they just jump to the latest post. When you click jump to the latest post, just push you to them. All these ones that have their time in red inks, so you can make two naira from anyone that you comment on. So I will show you guys a very nice example. Okay, let's just comment on 2. My NAS earning was 4. Let me check my NAS earning. Please don't be angry, so that you won't do any mistakes. So let me check my NAS earning again so that you understand what I mean. So 4352. Okay, so 2 naira for each comment. Let's check how much we gain when we comment. So let's go back and comment. So which one are we gonna take? Which one are you gonna take? Okay, EPL. What Pogba told Mourinho at halftime Manchester United win over Newcastle. So no, me, I don't normally go down to read all the posts. It's huge and I can't take all the time to read them. So I don't need something that is boring. I need to be fast. Okay, what Pogba told Mourinho at halftime in Man United win over Newcastle. So I have to, before I know that Mourinho and Pogba are getting some problems. So I will just go down there and say, oh my gosh, let this open please. Yeah, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So Pogba is now in terms with Mourinho. So just look at see new comments. As I'm commenting, other people are commenting. So just put it on. See, many people are there already trying to make a lot of money. So just go back again, choose another one. You comment on young girl injured in the Abuja Air Force crash. You can't say as she gets a scholarship. Oh, this is nice of them to give her a scholarship. Okay, they gave her a scholarship because she crashes. Oh no, sorry baby. She's beautiful. Don't mind me. So just have to scroll past this thing. You have gotten the headline. So the next thing is to comment. So the number of places that you comment, you get number of money. So and all these things, what do you think? Nepal's love. I just can I gonna put love, and if you wanna do it, you do it. If you don't wanna do it, you leave it. So I can say sorry dear, get well, okay? So I just comment. So let's not waste a lot of time. Let's go back and see how much that you have increased to. So go back. Now if you check it like this, you see that it's still the same thing because you have not refreshed it. So for you to see the amount you have earned recently, you need to refresh it. Just refresh it and you see that your money must have increased. Can you see it? From 4352 to 4356. You have added 4 naira. So you now check the number of posts that you are there. You are hundreds, 200, and check the amount of money you get when you comment on all these posts. You can do it because I normally do it every day. I'm telling you the real fact. Just that this month I've not been active in my account, but I normally do it every year. So the only thing you need to do, count the number of posts times it by 2. Now you see that each day you get not less than 200 naira if you're active, and 200 naira times a month, you know, you can tell me 200 naira times 30 days. Let me just do the little calculation and tell you guys what it is coming about. It's 6,000 naira a month. Gosh, how are you telling me that you're not gonna make hundreds of thousands from this place? So it's about learning all these things gradually and doing it all. So some people don't know how to join the discussion. For those that registered newly, you will see that you haven't registered your account with Discus. So when you come to something like here, you will not see let it load. Let me show you guys what I want to say. It's loading, as you can see. So please load fast and don't get people bored, please. Oh my gosh, network. Okay, yeah, it have loaded. So you won't see this join the discussion. You see log in with, you click on Facebook, log in with your Facebook. Do you understand? When you log in with your Facebook, sign up there in Discourse, you now see join the discussion. Then you comment as many posts as you like, and as you keep commenting, you keep earning, and you don't want to lose the money you spent. You can get other referrals. So in my next video, I've shown you guys how to make money with your comments. In my next video, I will show you guys how to get your referral in Facebook and WhatsApp. So that